Hey guys, this is Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at our Cardinal skid assembly. This is a 48 by 48 skid, aluminum skid with a 2700 PSI, 3 gallon a minute pressure washer. Now this particular setup is ideal for maybe detail washing if you're going around a lot and cleaning cars, or if you're just doing small detail jobs. Like this particular one is going to a local property management company that's using it to maintain the properties that they have in their complex. So kind of a nice little thing to be able to throw in the back of a truck or on a trailer real quick and just doing the cleaning that you need to do. The hose reels that we have here are the General Pump A-frame reels. We have 200 feet of hose on the top one. It'll hold up to 300 feet. And we have 100 foot of garden hose on the bottom. We have the Flexzilla, so it doesn't have any kinks or anything to it. The pressure washer hose reel has the soap injector on there. We have it all zip tied in place, so it's just nice and neat right now. But once the zip tie comes off, you would just take this, drop it right down into the bucket of soap that you want to use, if you want to use soap, and then be able to apply everything that way. The pressure washer has a Honda GX200 engine with the General Pump direct drive on there. Keeps it nice and compact so we can fit everything on the skid. We have a filter between the tank and the pressure washer to make sure there's no debris that gets stuck in the pump. We also have a ball valve in front of that filter so that if you need to clean out the filter in the middle of cleaning, that you can just quickly turn off your water supply and clean that filter out without having to empty your tank. The tank that we have is a 100 gallon capacity. It does have a float valve inside so that when you're feeding from the garden hose, it'll automatically shut off the water once it's full, and then it'll start filling again once the water level starts to deplete as you're using the pressure washer. We have the pressure washer hooked up on a cool bypass line so that when you let off the trigger, it just recirculates the water from the tank to the pressure washer and keeps it from overheating. And then we also added the bleeder valve on here so that whenever you're priming this pump, all you do is open up that valve, it gets all the air out of the line, gets water through the head of the pump, and you're ready to start up. And a lot of times that's a big issue, especially for direct drive pumps, to make sure that the water is getting from the tank through the filter and into the pump head without causing any issues. It includes the gun and wand assembly, all your spray nozzles, so it's pretty much set up ready to go. You could also, like if you had a separate DI system or whatnot for detailing cars, you could just fill this tank with your DI water and then use the pressure washer to rinse vehicles off in the lot. So if you have any questions on this, take a look at our website. It's 3rpressurewashers.com. If you're on YouTube, the link will be in the description below. And if you have any questions beyond that, just feel free to give us a call. Thanks.